This little hornbill is hungry. 20 mongoose and one hornbill might seem an odd team, but when you're small, it pays to stick together. The mongoose flush out prey, while the hornbill keeps a lookout for danger, marking their territory along the way. Even in the dry season, their patch provides all the food they need. They may be Africa's smallest carnivore, but they're not afraid to take on big game. A venomous baboon spider. By seizing every opportunity, this tenacious team can survive through the harshest times.